Hey, what's up guys? So today we're finally going to be lowering the SI. It needs it pretty bad. It's been monster trucking for quite a while now. We have our first Quaker Steak and Lube meet on Monday. Everyone's going to be there, so we're going to have to drop it down, show out a little bit. First things first, we're going to have to get her all jacked up, get those front wheels popped off so we can adjust these coilovers. Alright, got the wheels off, so now we're going to get these spanner wrenches here. It came with the coilovers, and we're just going to turn these opposite ways, break that lock collar loose, that way we can lower down this upper collar here. Should be able to do these by hand pretty easily. If not, you can always throw some lithium grease on there. That way you can adjust them if you know you're planning on adjusting it anytime soon. Usually these Raceland coilovers are pretty easy to adjust. Sometimes you can actually just reach in here and twist the spring itself. Get a little more leverage. Looks pretty good right about there. We're not going to go full dump, just to keep a little bit of functionality here. So we're about 4 threads up, so we're just going to match that on the other side. First, got to tighten up the locking collar though. That's pretty much it. Right now we're just going to throw this wheel back on. Obviously you got to do it to the other side as well. I went ahead and got the other side done, so now I'm moving on to the backs here. These are pretty straightforward. You just got to get the car up in the air. Don't have to take the wheel off or anything. And then you just got to get your smaller spanner wrench, whichever one coincides with the spring you're doing. Sadly, there's not enough room back here to really get full rotations on it. So I kind of have to use the upper part of the perch here to get some leverage against it. That way I can actually have some room to turn it. As you can see, the spring is kind of falling off a little bit. That just happens when you change the ride height so much. Once I get this lower down though, I'm gonna twist that spring, that way it sits on that seat properly. That way we don't have any issues in the future. Alright, so we got Got all 4 corners done now. So I'm going to lower it right down now, give you guys a reveal of what it looks like. And just make sure it settles. That sound you guys heard was that rear spring settling. Once I lowered the car down, that spring actually settled down onto the perch now, so everything's lined up good. And this looks much better now. It's not as low as I had it before, but still looks pretty good. Front's pretty tight. Not really. Need a little less offset. Like I said, bigger wheels. But rear fits pretty nice. Not to credit card level, but you know, we got fingernail fitment. But yeah, this should do perfectly fine for now. Look a little bit better for the show at least. I'm about to call it a night right now. Finally got the car sitting how I want to. Should be good for the meet on Monday. If I have any shows or anything I'm going to in the near future, I'll probably drop it down a little bit more. But for now, I'll keep it like this for a couple weeks. About to head home, go for a ride in my buddy's RSX that he just got. It's K24 swap, so he's gonna let me drive it and everything. Should get some pull videos while I'm out too for the next video when I do a walk around of his car. But for now, I'll see you guys on probably Monday night, Tuesday night, once I post that video from the Quaker Steak and Lube meet. Make sure you guys comment below what you'd like to see next as far as any reviews or any installs. Like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more. I'll have a lot of more content coming. Thank you guys.